What's wiggling, wear noticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO Shane Muma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel. And today, in this video, as you can see, I'm going to be checking out this good-looking lap desk, which is essentially like a desk that you put in your lap. As the name obviously says, basically this gives you a surface to put your laptop computer on when you're working on it away from a desk, just in a chair. And also this particular lap desk, the Lapgear Deluxe Laptop lap desk, also has a slot right here for you to put your phone into, so your phone can just lay up there and you can look at it and whatnot. And it also has this little built-in mouse pad as well. So yeah, it's like a whole desk setup that you might have at home, all in your lap, which is great for traveling. It also says right here on the front that it's compatible with up to 17-inch laptops. Mine's only a 13-incher, so there shouldn't be any problem there. Now if we head around to the back, it talks about the various things it can do that I already talked about. And it also has these nice little pads right here to make it more comfortable on your lap. As you can hear, they make a bit of a noise when you slap them. You like that, guys? And yeah, this bad boy will set you back about $40. That's how much it costs. And without further ado, let's get it out of the box, or in other words, just take this paper off of it and start using it. So here we go. Let's just rip this off. Ooh, and it's harder than I expected. It seems like it's cardboard. Yup. I was wrong. It is not paper. And just like that, fully unboxed. That was easy. And yeah, here it is. There's also this little tag right here on the back. Let's try to rip that off. Hopefully we don't need scissors. And yeah, I think we're going to need to cut this off actually, so I'll just take it off later. Anyway, we're ready to use this. So now, as you can see, I've got all my stuff right here on this lap desk. I've got my 13-inch MacBook Pro, I've got my Logitech MX Master mouse, and I've also got a life-proof free iPhone X case to simulate an iPhone X right here. As you can see, yes, this slot does work in holding up your phone at this nice little viewing angle right here. And also, I also noticed it works with thicker phone cases like the iPhone X OtterBox Defender, because that fits in there as well. So that's definitely a good thing if you like thicker iPhone X cases or just thicker cases in general. Hopefully, it should work with this guy. And yeah, let's just put the free back in there and play around with this guy a bit. So here we are on the Wear Notice YouTube channel on my computer. We can just scroll around, move the mouse around. This mouse pad is nice and smooth. That is definitely a good thing. You wouldn't want a hard to use mouse pad. And yeah, just looking around, look, 58,000 views on my most popular video. That's pretty nice, if you know what I'm saying. Dab, pretty good if I have to dab. And then yeah, we can scroll back up, move my mouse around some more. 872 subscribers. Thanks so much, guys, for that. Hey, we're pretty close to 900. So if you're new here, if you're watching this video, if you like it, make sure to subscribe for more awesome technology videos and more dabs as well. So definitely do that so we can get to 900. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to get some serious work done on this guy instead of just scrolling around on my YouTube channel. But what else? There's also this little black bar right here, if you guys can see that. I believe that so if the computer is at an angle like this, it doesn't slide right down onto your lap. As you can see, the mouse wants to slide down, but see, the computer stops right there. And yeah, you'll also notice there's a carrying handle right here for carrying this lap desk. Sadly, it doesn't fold up though. That would be really nice, so then you could fit into traditional backpacks instead of just throwing it in your suitcase or duffel bag, because I mean, this is really great for traveling. Because like, imagine if you're at an airport or a hotel and you want to get some work done with all the stuff, all the technology that you might use at home at your actual desk, your phone, your computer, your mouse. But oh wait, it's hard to find a table because everyone else is using them, or maybe there just aren't any, or there are too few. So with this, you can just sit down in any chair and get that full desk experience, which is why it would be great if it could fold, so you could just throw it in any backpack. But still, it's pretty cool. I mean, even these pads over here, they're really soft and comfy. Feels like a nice hug around my legs. That's a weird way to describe it, but hey, I like it, so it's good. And yeah, I'm really digging this guy so far. Not gonna lie, folks. You'll also see that you can just pick this up, put it down if you want to move it around like this. Not sure if I would recommend doing it like this though, because your laptop, your mouse, or your phone could just fall off, and that would be kind of a big issue if one of them breaks. But I mean, hey, it is possible if you don't feel like closing stuff around and maybe you'd like to move a bit. It's sort of like one of those trays that I feel like waiters and waitresses use to carry around your food. That's what it feels like right now. But yeah, I mean, it's meant for your lap, obviously. So, and I mean, with that, there's not really much more to say about it. Besides, I like it so far after just using it for a couple minutes with you guys. So yeah, again, if you want one of these for yourself, it'll set you back about $40. And thank you so much for watching this Wear Notice video. If you enjoyed it, like I said earlier, please subscribe to the channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and I'll love you. Wear Notice out with a lap desk on my lap.